How to make your children smart and brilliant.
Read aloud. Regular reading fosters language skills and expands their knowledge. Encourage curiosity, support their questions, and explore topics together. Limit screen time. Promote a balance between screen activities and other enriching experiences. Creative play. Provide materials for imaginative play to enhance problem-solving skills. Healthy diet. Ensure a balanced diet rich in nutrients crucial for brain development. Outdoor exploration. Nature activities contribute to cognitive and physical development. Quality sleep. Ensure sufficient, uninterrupted sleep for optimal cognitive function. Social interaction. Encourage positive relationships to develop emotional intelligence. Educational games. Use age-appropriate games that stimulate critical thinking. Set goals. Help them set and achieve small, realistic goals to build confidence and perseverance.